So you've got yourself the DJI Osmo Action 6 and you're wondering how to install the battery and a memory card. Today we're going to show you exactly how. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the battery and memory card compartment on the DJI Osmo Action 6 is located on the right hand side of the camera when you're looking at it from the back. There is a small door over on the other side here. Now that one is the USB-C port for charging, so we're not using that side today. So we'll switch it back over to the other side here. Now I did leave the sticker on that shows you how to open the side door here. So there's a little switch, we need to slide that over and then the door slides up. So when you pull the switch over, you can see there's some red behind there. So make sure you're seeing the red and then you can slide the door up in that direction. And then the door flips down just like that. Now from here, it's probably easiest to install your memory card first. So there's a little slot right down here that you put your microSD card in. So go ahead and grab that. And the memory card goes in this direction with the connectors facing the front of the camera. So we'll go ahead and slide that into the slot. And once you get to the end, this is spring loaded, so you can give it a little push and it should stay right in there. Now, if you do want to eject it, you don't just pull it out. You actually push it in and it ejects it back out and then you can pull it out. But we'll go ahead and push that so it stays in place. And then let's move on to the battery. So go ahead and grab your battery. And the way this goes in is the little pop out here at the bottom of the battery goes at the bottom of the camera. So it goes in this direction. So you can go ahead and slide that in and it should go all the way in. If it's not going all the way in, you probably have it backwards. So let's go ahead and close this battery door cover. You want to do this properly because this is a watertight door. So when you close it, make sure you do see the red accents there. And once you do, you can push it down. And we're going to slide the door down. So basically the reverse of opening it, and those red accents should disappear just like that. And now because we don't see any red, we know that the door is watertight and closed. And really it's that simple to install the memory card and the battery in your DJI Osmo Action 6.